Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the topic of full body health. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our health insights. Let's get started. 1. Stay hydrated. Your body is about 60% water, and hydration is the foundation of health. Drinking enough water boosts energy, improves skin, helps digestion, and keeps your organs working properly. Aim for at least 6 to 8 glasses a day. And remember, you can also hydrate with fruits and vegetables, high in water content. 2. Get enough sleep. Sleep is when your body heals and recharges. Adults need 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep to maintain strong immunity, sharp memory, and stable mood. Create a bedtime routine. Limit screen time before bed, and keep your room cool and dark to maximize restful sleep. 3. Eat balanced meals. Fuel your body with balance. Lean proteins, whole grains, healthy fats, fruits and vegetables. Each meal should provide energy and nutrients your body needs to function. Skipping balance often leads to fatigue, weight gain, or nutrient deficiencies. Think of food as medicine. It shapes your long-term health. 4. Exercise regularly. Movement is medicine. Just 30 minutes of daily exercise improves heart health, builds muscle, strengthens bones, and reduces stress. Whether it's walking, dancing, cycling, or yoga, choose something you enjoy so it becomes part of your lifestyle. Remember, consistency matters more than intensity. 5. Maintain good posture. Poor posture leads to back pain, stiffness, and even headaches. Keep your shoulders relaxed, back straight, and feet flat on the ground when sitting. Take breaks to stretch if you work at a desk. Good posture not only protects your spine, but also boosts confidence and energy. 6. Manage stress. Stress is unavoidable, but chronic stress harms your body. It raises blood pressure, weakens immunity, and affects sleep. Practice deep breathing, meditation, journaling, or a simple walk in nature. Managing stress daily helps you feel calm, think clearly, and protect long-term health. 7. Limit processed foods. Processed foods often contain high sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats, leading to obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Instead, focus on whole foods, fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and lean proteins. Small swaps, like choosing whole grain bread over white, make a huge difference over time. 8. Keep a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight isn't about looks, it's about health. Extra weight strains your heart, joints, and organs. Focus on sustainable habits, balanced meals, daily movement, and portion control. Forget crash diets. Instead, aim for long-term healthy living that keeps your body strong and energized. 9. Take care of your skin. Your skin is your largest organ, and it needs care. Protect it with sunscreen. Stay hydrated, eat antioxidant-rich foods, and maintain a cleansing routine. Healthy skin isn't just about appearance, it's your body's shield against harmful bacteria, pollution, and sun damage. 10. Strengthen your core. A strong core supports your entire body. It improves posture, reduces back pain, and helps with balance. Try planks, bridges, or simple exercises like standing tall and engaging your abs. Even small daily movements build strength that protects your spine and makes everyday tasks easier. 11. Prioritize mental health. Body health and mental health go hand in hand. Anxiety, depression, and chronic stress impact physical well-being too. Talk to someone you trust, practice mindfulness, and take breaks for self-care. Remember, a healthy mind creates a healthy body and a happier life. 12. Get fresh air. Spending time outdoors boosts oxygen levels, reduces stress, and supports better sleep. Sunlight helps your body make vitamin D, which is crucial for bone and immune health. Just 20 minutes a day outside walking, gardening, or sitting in the park can work wonders for your body and mind. 13. Practice good hygiene. Simple habits like hand washing, dental care, and bathing protect you from infections and diseases. Brush your teeth twice daily, wash hands before meals, and keep nails trimmed. Good hygiene is the foundation of body health. It keeps germs away and your confidence high. 14. Strengthen your immunity. A strong immune system defends your body. Boost it with colorful fruits, vegetables, regular exercise, quality sleep, and reduced stress. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol. Think of your immune system like an army. It needs proper training, rest, and nutrition to fight off invaders effectively. 15. Stretch daily. Stretching improves flexibility, circulation, and joint health. It reduces stiffness, prevents injuries, and eases tension from sitting too long. Just 5 to 10 minutes in the morning or before bed makes a big difference. Your body feels lighter, looser, and more energized when you stretch daily. 16. Limit alcohol and smoking. Alcohol and smoking take a toll on your body, damaging the liver, lungs, heart, and even skin. Reducing or quitting greatly improves life expectancy and quality of life. Swap alcohol with sparkling water. Avoid smoking triggers. Your body will thank you for years to come. 17. Keep your muscles strong. Muscles support movement, metabolism, and joint health. After age 30, we naturally lose muscle mass, so strength training is essential. Lift weights, use resistance bands, or do bodyweight exercises like squats and push-ups. Strong muscles protect your bones and make everyday activities easier. 18. Stay socially connected. Human connection is powerful for health. Loneliness raises risks for heart disease and weakens immunity. Stay connected with friends, family, or community groups. Even small interactions like chatting with a neighbor boost mood, reduce stress, and keep your brain sharp as you age. 19. Listen to your body. Your body often signals when something's wrong, fatigue, pain, or changes in appetite. Don't ignore warning signs. Regular checkups and paying attention to how you feel can prevent small issues from becoming serious. Your body is always talking. Make sure you're listening. 20. Keep learning and growing. A healthy body supports a healthy mind, but don't forget to challenge your brain too. Read, learn new skills, or try creative hobbies. A stimulated brain lowers the risk of cognitive decline and keeps life exciting. Growth physically and mentally is the true secret to long-term health. Remember, holistic health is a journey, not a destination. Celebrate small wins and be patient with yourself. Your body is your temple, and treating it well today paves the way for a healthier, happier tomorrow. Time to get your supplement for your body today in the link below for a happier tomorrow.